Here's a list of 20 things that I expect to go wrong for Tesla stock in 2023. Number 1, sending money into my investment account, which only arrives in the right after Tesla goes up something like 8% in a single day. This, of course, did not just happen, and I am only imagining. Number 2, Steve and Mark Ryan getting canceled. It would be a sad day for many of us, for Tesla stock investors. I really hope it does not happen, but he is edging YouTube. Elon, please hurry up and make good long-form video possible on Twitter and allow creator monetization for creators to make money. And now, serious things that I expect to go perhaps wrong. I hope none of these happen, by the way. I am a Tesla stock bull. I only own Tesla stock in my stock portfolio. But I like to prepare myself for bad things happening so that when they do happen, I don't get caught off guard. So, number 3, more Twitter noise, even after it seemingly settles down. I expect that to continue for quite a while. As long as Elon owns Twitter, that will probably keep happening, or somehow we will keep coming back to it, especially before it makes money. Before Twitter is profitable, expect that. Number 4, factory shutdowns. Shanghai. Hopefully it doesn't happen. But if it happens, then we will have to deal with it. This is one thing that I don't like as a long-term investor. Most of these things that I will go through as a long-term investor, I really don't mind. But factory shutdowns, I don't like them. Number 5, bad recession and lots of demand problem rumors. And this will happen while Tesla will sell every single car it makes. So all of these rumors will be exaggerated. Everyone is going to be saying, this is the end of Tesla growth story. This is it. Tesla cannot grow anymore. Tesla has so many ways to increase demand still. But I expect a lot of rumors, and that is not going to be good for the stock. But Tesla still has that $30,000 or $25,000 car that it's working on. So I am not worried about demand at all. Now, if Tesla comes out with that cheap car and then we still have a demand issue, then I would be worried, but I don't think it's going to happen. Number 6. Competition going bankrupt, because it's boring without it. We have to have something to, make fun of. I mean, competition is not able to produce a good semi. Tesla's short range semi is 300 miles, which is higher than Daimler's long range of 250 miles here, and Daimler's version charges to 80%. in as low as 1.5 hours. Tesla's semi charges to 70% in 30 minutes. Number 7, if we have a bad recession, margins may go down noticeably. Probably they would go down. That is expected. This would only be bad, though, if the recession ends and the margins do not come back or the earnings don't keep growing. That would be bad, but I don't expect that to happen. Number 8. This one may happen. Hopefully not. Happened so many times already. Cybertruck delayed. Again, hopefully not. But it's likely. Number 9. On the next earnings call, probably Elon is going to predict that in 2023, full self driving is going to be safer than human driving, and likely, possibly, that will not happen again. But I do expect a lot of progress for full self-driving, and the main reason why I invest in Tesla stock is because of full self-driving. Eventually, I'm sure Tesla will solve full self-driving. I'm just not really that sure that it's going to be next year. And if it happens, hey, look, it's awesome. I'm just not expecting that yet. Now, this one is actually a really serious one. This one is going to happen eventually. Number 10, because full self-driving is in wide release now and so many people have it, it's just a matter of time before someone gets into a bad car accident, someone gets seriously injured, or worst case happens, and expect a bad lawsuit. I think Tesla will be fine, but this is expected, and media is going to run with it, make it look really bad, make it look absolutely horrible, but we will all be fine. Number 11, this one, will happen many times. Expect more FUD from Gordon Johnson. He picked last time on R&D and gross margins, and how convenient was it for him to ignore the thing that actually matters the most, which is the bottom line. How much profit do you actually make? Look at the bottom line. Tesla makes, for example, 8 times more profit per car than Toyota. How convenient to ignore this. Number 12. This one I actually don't care that much, but I know a lot of people that invest in Tesla stock and they care about Tesla stock price short term. This may actually matter to them. Tesla may keep saying that they want to minimize the delivery way, but actually they may not do it, especially if the deliveries are not looking that good for that quarter. Maybe production issue, maybe something else happened. I would expect them to do this maybe a few more times, but gradually I expect the delivery wave to keep getting smaller. Number 13, buybacks, or maybe no buybacks. Pick whichever one you like less, or whichever one you hate. Tesla community is a little bit divided on this one. Both are possible. Number 14, I expect a lot of political attacks on Elon and Tesla. And number 15, I do expect Elon to sell more. When I say expect, I mean I am prepared just in case it happens. Hopefully it does not happen. I'm not saying it will happen, although the chances are not very low. I just don't want to wake up one day and open my news on Twitter and see lots of messages. Oh, Elon is selling Tesla stock again. And then me thinking, oh, I thought he's not going to sell more. I just don't want to be caught off guard like that. This one is another serious one, and I really hope this one does not happen. Number 16, attempt on Elon's life. I heard Elon talk about increasing his security. I hope he has already done it. I think the cost of security in relative terms to how much money he has is tiny. I would fully support him selling Tesla stock if that means he increases his security. That would actually make me feel better as a Tesla stock investor. Would you feel better? I would. Number 17. Slow scaling of 4680 batteries. The hopes are high. The hopes have been high for this year. It did not happen how many of us wanted it to scale. The battery is still in the first generation of its technology, and it's showing some good potential. And the main reason why they want to switch to 4680 batteries is because it's just much easier to make one huge battery instead of making many tiny little batteries that we are making right now compared to 4680 batteries. I mean, the current ones are kind of tiny. Hopefully, they all ramp it up, but I would keep my hopes on the low side and then be pleasantly surprised. I prefer that. Number 18, this is normal, this is to be expected, but people freak out when this happens. Another key person leaving Tesla. This year it was Andrej Karpathy who led the full self-driving and autopilot and AI generally at Tesla. That's natural. These things happen. Number 19, and I really hate when this happens. Tesla Daily not posting daily for a few days on trading days. By the way, I love Rob. I think he's doing a great job. I'm just waiting to refresh, where is the episode? Where's the episode? Oh yeah, that's right. Yesterday he said that he won't be doing the episode. One thing I love about Stephen Mark Ryan, he never misses a day. He never misses a day. Never. I mean, even when he was taken hostage, he still posted a 1 minute, 29-second video. And yeah, I mean, he blinked more than once during the video, so I assume he was okay. But, you know, for me, for the day to be finished, I need to watch Tesla Daily, and I need to get an episode of Solving the Money Problem. But the most important part of the day is reminding myself to not spend too much time looking at Tesla stock. I mean, I can spend way too much time looking at it. It's just way too attractive. I can't take my eyes off it. Which leads me to number 20. Tesla stock dressing up too much and not giving me any more buying opportunities in 2023. That's probably the worst kind of news that I can get in 2023 because I'm still accumulating quite a bit. And these are 48 reasons why I only own Tesla stock in my stock portfolio. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. My name is Matt Posius, and I'll see you right here. Thank you for watching.